Hello, Visionary, and welcome to this very special edition of Are You a Mutant live event. In this video, I'm going to be introducing two of my students who are in my Dream Rave and my level 4 certification. This is a really important video because we are bringing forward new information that is not seen anywhere in human design. From my opinion, this is the leading edge of information available around codons. This birthed through one of my students, Vicki, who I'm going to be interviewing and letting her download the information. And we are talking about something that is not talked about anywhere in human design, which is the codons and the amino acids and where in your Achilles heel or weaknesses in your chart may have over time caused symptoms in the body or physical illnesses. Now, Vicki is seeing correlations. She's been researching this, and it's really profound and really interesting. If you love human design and you love mutated information, Vicki is a mutate. She is here to innovate. She's here to bring forward new things. We also have Lauren K. Wyatt with us in this interview, who is going to be supporting the journey and helping to look at Vicki's chart. And as you know, Lauren has been my co-host through this experience. Let me tell you a little bit about Vicki. She's a mother of two amazing men. Before her second Saturn return, in typical line 6 fashion, her world fell apart. Everything crashed to the ground. Everything fell apart. Her marriage of 35 years, she was a business executive, all of these things crashed. As she is now stepping into her third phase of the line 6, into the role model, she has been studying and doing the experiment and deep, ready to birth her CEO mutant self in this arena. She's creating a human design business, Your Unique Design. She's in the process of launching her podcast with Lauren Wenzel, also a member of my level 4 certification and the Dream Rave, because in my classes, these amazing things get birthed, to give my classes a little plug as well. So I'm really excited for Vicki to tell us about this correlation she discovered about the DNA, the codons, comparing with human design charts, discovering where people are experiencing illnesses in their life. It's profound. I can't wait to see you on the inside.